and these are the inside candles. The price, these market sentiments going in my direction. This trade is much better, and I'm going to show you why. The green candle, which I'm about to mark right here, it is the mother candle. This strategy is so good. If it has wick, guys, you mark the wicks. Each candle carries a sign: continuation, reversal, stuff like that, and it increases the probability of winning the trade. Always make sure of this. Do not trade if it's not like that. Alright, I'm gonna be setting the time for the candles, 1 minute. Okay, and then I'm gonna be selecting Japanese candles. Alright, and 30 seconds expiration. Yeah, it's safe. That's it. Okay, so I take this trade here. I'm gonna take a next one because that entry is a bad entry, and I'm trying to secure this trade because this trade is very beautiful. But guys, to be honest, because I didn't want to miss the trade, I took a bad entry. So this is what I do to make up for it. No, you don't have to do this. I'm just doing this because I don't want to lose the trade. All right, and it's a very good trade. Now I mark the top of the mother candle and the bottom of the mother candle. Okay, this way, when the price breaks the mother candle, then I take my trade. As you see right here, it did that, and I also see a inside gap, and I'm expecting the gap to close also. And if you pay attention closely, you can see the rally base rally going higher, and the rally base rally is basically how you identify the trend in the market. And with all of these market sentiments going in my direction, I'm pretty confident about this trade. So let's see. Alright, that's a win. The second one is a win. Okay, I find a selling opportunity right here. This trade is very nice because I'm actually going with a stronger trend than previous time. You will see what I'm saying, but let me mark this to show you guys something. No, we always mark the mother candle instead of the inside candle, even though the strategy is a inside candle strategy. Okay, and that is because the mother candle is the range. And as you see right here, guys, I'm also in the direction of the trend, which is very good, and you can see that this trend is very strong. You notice how strong this candle pushed through the lower low. You see that it goes down very much. That shows you the strength of the level. Okay, and another thing I want to say to you guys is that whenever you're marking your levels, make sure that the inside bar, the wick and the body is always inside of the body and the wick of the mother candles. Always make sure of this. Do not trade if it's not like that. All right, I'm gonna take this one. This trade here, it's okay, because the reason why I said that, it's the candle right here, it's a continuation sign candle, so I'm not really worried about the trade that much. The only thing is that I am going against a uptrend, which is not really good. But this trade, I didn't want to miss it, guys, because it just looks so beautiful. I didn't really care about like if it lose or not, and that's the reason why I put one trade on it, because I'm going against the trend. But now I see an inside gap, so now my interest, my confidence has also increased, so I'm not really worried again. This trade here, yeah, it's a high chance it will close in my favor because the inside gap will likely try to close. Plus, there's a momentum going down, and the trend has changed also just now. Okay, so this is very good trade right here. Yeah, because the trend has changed. Okay, I am taking this one. The only problem I see with this trade here is that the inside candle and the mother candle, they are almost identical. Get what I'm saying? Like the eyes are almost equal. This is okay, but not really, to be honest. But yeah, the mother candle, the inside candle, you can see the equality of the eyes, right? And this is not really good, to be honest. Let me see this trade. See, look at, you see how the price is fighting because the candle is not all the way inside of the mother candle. Yes, you always need this to be accurate, because when you're trading in the financial markets, you have to make sure that everything is lining up correctly so that your win rate can stay steady. And look at this trade here. If my entry was good also, I could still win this trade. But let's see what's gonna happen. This trade look very much risky right here. Yes. Okay, I'm trying to recover from that losing trade previously. This trade is much better, and I'm going to show you why. You see, this is a very good inside candle. You notice the candle itself is inside of the red candle, the green one. You notice that. And I mark from the bottom to the top. Always, if it has wick, guys, you mark the wicks. Okay, if it has body, you put the line on the body. That's how it goes. This strategy is so good. I don't even know how to explain the goodness of this strategy. All I can say is just that once you find the right opportunity and you keep on taking the same trade over and over in the same way, nothing can stop you. And as you see right here, guys, this trade here is moving very good, and I see continuation sign on the candle, so I'm expecting the price to continue. That's what continuation sign means. Okay, each candle carries a sign: continuation, reversal, stuff like that. I'm taking this trade here, guys, and if you look closely, the green candle which I'm about to mark right here, it is the mother candle. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Let me just thicken these lines. Okay, right, so I mark the two side of the mother candle, and these are the inside candles. The price break the inside candle, mother candle, and the price starts to go down. This is the basicness of this strategy. It's so simple to identify this chart pattern on the chart, guys, and I really love this strategy because it's very simple. Right, all you need to do, look for the mother candle, and then when you see the breakout of the mother candle, then you can take your trade. And I want you guys to always remember this too, not because the strategy is so good, you should always go with the trend also, because what you do, you increases your confidence, you increases the accuracy, and you increases the probability of winning the trade. And this trade here is a massive win, guys. Just look at this drop. Beautiful.